This video will guide you the process of installing the vehicle gateway using cable 3015, 3017, 3018, and OBD II.
Hey there, I'm Joe Luciano with Motive. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install our Motive vehicle gateway in a vehicle that has an OBD II port. First, you'll need either cable 3015, cable 3017, 3018, or if your vehicle is made prior to 2008, our auto tap kit. Here's cable 3015 and 3017. You'll notice right away that cable 3015 has 2 ends versus cable 3017 has 3 ends. Cable 3015 is an OBD II non-Y cable. It's approximately 5 foot long. Note the notch in the overmolding here. This allows you to change the direction of the cable. The end with the thumb screws connects to the vehicle gateway. Cable 3017 is an OBD II Y cable, also approximately 5 foot long. Note the female end has a bracket with multiple mounting options, meant to be put in place of the vehicle's existing OBD II port. This male end here goes into the existing diagnostic port. The end with the thumb screws connects to the vehicle gateway. This cable 3017 is what I'll be showing you how to install in our video today. Both of these cables will come with 6 plastic retention clips for routing the cable as needed. The auto tap kit comes with cable 3070, 3071, as well as the blue auto tap. Plug the male end of 3070 into the auto tap here, and then plug in the male end of 3071 into the auto tap here. After that, you'll have approximately 5 foot of cable to plug into your diagnostic port right here. Now, let's take a look at what comes in the Motive vehicle gateway box. In the box, you'll have an installation manual and of course, your Motive vehicle gateway. These zip ties can be used to fasten the vehicle gateway in place, or the adhesive strips on the back. The included alcohol pad is used to wipe the surface where you plan to adhere the vehicle gateway. Wherever you install on the vehicle, ensure that the logo on the top of the vehicle gateway is facing the sky. Here's the serial port where you'll connect the Motive cable. The vehicle gateway requires between 11 and 32 volts to operate. The USB on the other side is used to connect the dash cam if you have one. Before getting started, here are the tools you may need depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle. Plastic pry bar, screwdrivers, socket set, and of course, anything you can use to cut some excess zip ties. And now the part we've all been waiting for. Let's go get our hands dirty with this installation.
Before you start, make sure that the vehicle is parked safely, the engine is turned off, and the key is removed from the ignition. Decide where the vehicle gateway is going to live. You can install it either on top of the dashboard, or you can do a discrete installation where you install the vehicle gateway beneath the dashboard. Locate the OBD II port in your vehicle. In most cases, you can find it on the driver's side under the steering wheel column or under the passenger dash panel. Don't plug the cable into the vehicle diagnostic port yet. First, make sure that you have room for the vehicle gateway and cables. If you're doing an installation on top of the dashboard, go ahead and run the cable from the OBD II port to where you want your vehicle gateway to live. For cable 3015, you'll take the OBD II end of the Motive cable and plug it directly into your vehicle's OBD II port. If you're using cable 3017 or 3018, you'll need to first remove the diagnostic port from its receptacle in the dashboard. Plug the male end of the Motive cable into the removed diagnostic port, then install the female end of the Motive cable in place of the OEM diagnostic port. Wrap any excess cables in a donut and secure them with the provided zip ties. Ensure the cable is not pinched to prevent damage. For a dashboard installation, prepare the surface by wiping it clean with alcohol pads. Then secure the vehicle gateway to the dashboard using the adhesive strips. Make sure the Motive logo on the vehicle gateway faces up towards the sky, and ensure that it's not located under any heavy metals, as this can block the GPS. Finally, plug the serial port into your vehicle gateway and secure it by finger tightening the thumb screws. For the discrete installation, use the zip ties to secure the vehicle gateway under the steering wheel. Ensure that it will never obstruct foot pedals. Now, start your vehicle. Observe the LED lights on the vehicle gateway, which should illuminate. This process may take about 1 minute. The left LED light will switch to green once the vehicle gateway establishes a successful GPS connection. Simultaneously, the right LED light will blink red, indicating the engine is on. Great job, you have successfully installed your vehicle gateway in your vehicle. If you need to link your vehicle gateway to the Motive Driver app, check out the Motive Help Center for videos on connecting to the Motive Driver app, Fleet app, creating vehicle and driver profiles, and more.